Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. A client of mine made cables used in anything from microelectronics to high voltage transmission lines. Their large factory handled the whole process, drawing out the copper wire, plaiting it to the desired thickness, applying insulation to the bundles of strands, before reeling it onto spools for storage and shipment. We identified a particular machine in the production process that was the bottleneck, being more loaded than any other. A rough calculation put the gross margin generated by this machine when running at production speed at $1,200 per minute. Because it was the production line's bottleneck, the whole factory began losing $1,200 per minute when it stopped. An industrial agreement at this firm stated that the hourly pay of someone working as both an operator and a maintainer must rise from $36 to $40 to recognize their greater skill level. In their wisdom, senior management had decided to employ only operators to run the machine, whether or not they were also competent to maintain their machines. They thought they'd be saving the additional $4 per hour available to those who could function as operator maintainers by paying the additional amount only to those designated as maintainers. While touring the facility, I saw the bottleneck machine go down in front of my eyes. The operator told me he could have sorted the fault in a matter of minutes. Thanks to the agreement though, he wasn't allowed to repair the machine, but had to call his supervisor to request a maintainer. Unfortunately, the maintainer was in the middle of planned maintenance elsewhere in the plant and had a machine in pieces. He was deep in the rhythm of his assigned work for the day and loathed to transfer. 2 hours later, he arrived to fix the machine. Cost of the difference in labor between maintainer and operator, $8. Lost margin to the business, $144,000, with banked up inventory and block production everywhere upstream of this critically constrained resource. If management were systems thinkers, they would have understood what the pounds were worth for every minute lost at the constraint, and not worried about the pennies needed to get the machine up and running again. Does your organization ever seem to value penny over pounds? If so, consider my practical course for systems thinkers. To learn more, just click the link in the comments below.